There lived an old man named Ramdas in a village. He was highly respected in his village because stories of his wisdom and compassion were spread far and wide. The villagers were eager to hear his words. They believed that Ramdas ji had the answer to every question of life. One day, Sham, a young man from the village, asked Ramdas ji, "Baba ji, why are you always so happy? There is nothing but sorrow in this world. There are problems everywhere." Ramdas ji smiled and said, "Son, there is sorrow, but the secret of life is to not let the sorrow overpower you. Look, once there was a farmer who had a big pond in his field. The pond would fill up during the rainy season, and would start drying up as soon as the summer arrived. This pond was the basis of life for the farmer. The irrigation of his crops depended on it. One day, a frog started living in that pond. He started considering the pond as his home. He lived there comfortably, hunting mosquitoes. But summer came and the pond started drying up. The frog got worried. He thought, "Where will I go now?" Then he saw a well nearby. He jumped into the well. The well was deep, but the frog did not lose courage. He started climbing up slowly. But at night he would fall asleep, and he would fall down again. This continued for many days. The frog got desperate. But then one day he thought, "I am falling every night, but every morning I am trying again. Why don't I make this effort my life?" He did just that. He would fall every night, but every morning he would try to climb up again. Seeing his dedication, even the gods were impressed. They decided to help him. One night they did not let the frog sleep and took him straight out of the well. The frog became happy. He thought, "See, with my hard work and the grace of the gods, I have come out of this trouble." Just then a lightning flashed from the sky, and the frog got burnt. Ramdas ji remained silent for a while, then said, "Son, there are ups and downs in life. Sometimes our hard work pays off, sometimes it doesn't. But one should never stop trying. And yes, sometimes the circumstances are such that we cannot do anything. Then we should be patient and trust God." Sham was lost in Ramdas ji's words. He felt that his understanding has increased. He thanked Ramdas ji and went on his way. But there was a question in his mind, "Baba ji, if something is written in our fate, then what is the use of working hard?" Ramdas ji smiled and said, "Son, the benefit of working hard is that when you get success, you will know that it is the result of your hard work. And even if you do not get success, you will not regret, because you had tried your best." Sham found great solace in Ramdas ji's words. He felt that now he has found a direction to move forward in life. Friends, I hope you liked this story. There are ups and downs in life, but it is not necessary that one gets success every time. But with courage and dedication, every difficulty can be faced. If you liked this story, then do like the video and do not forget to share it with your friends. And yes, if you want to hear such beautiful stories, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. See you again in the next story.